are going to show how to prepare slime with slime kit.
So let's start. This is our slime set.
We have a measuring cup and 2 slime glues, a storing cup,
And this is coloring.
and these are 2 pipettes. This is slime activator, and this is a smaller measuring cup and 1 spoon. Since it is mermaid slime, we have slime shells.
So let's see how to do slime.
For making slime, we need a mixing bowl
And a spoon.
First, add the slime glue. Some water. And now mix it well. After mixing it well, take some water. And into the water, add some slime activator. Now mix this. Okay, mix it well and keep it aside. And until then, add some color to this. Yes. Now mix it well. So now it combined well. Now add this activator. Keep adding little bit and keep mixing it.
Yes.
Pause a bit. Slime is ready. Ooh. So it's a stretchy. Ooh. So stretchy. Ooh. I hope you all enjoyed this video.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Stay home.
Stay safe.